In the recent past, about a year, 2 years, uh, last year, life took a turn, and nothing out of the ordinary like that. It's just like, I was back to being a single mom and stuff. There was a divorce that happened and things like that. Okay, now all that is दुनियादारी का stuff. एक second के लिए उसको side पे कर देते हैं, please, because that in itself almost seems like, that will destroy you and all that. It will destroy you if you want it to. Loss will destroy you if you want it to. Tragedy will destroy it if you want it to. Grief will also do the same thing. Pain will do the same thing, you know. And the reason for that is one and only one: the fear, the the debilitating fear of not having or underestimating our own ability to sit with those emotions. Okay. Now, sometimes I feel that. I went to Vipassana also, and it was after all that happened. Okay, so after Vipassana of course teaches you to sit in equanimity and look at everything for what it is, and I remember getting a tattoo right after that, even though it hadn't sunk in literally and metaphorically. Okay, the ink and the thought, okay, it is what it is. Now it is starting to, because one thing I'd made up my mind about was very simple, that yeah, there is pain and everything is there, yes, and it is excruciating as F, but let's not be unfair to life, because when I'm super happy and joyous, that time I'm not asking for things to end. Bas karo ye nahi nahi, it's too much happiness. So that means that all of us somewhere are just so like unfair, to life, कि यार वो नहीं चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वो नहीं चाहिए, ये चाहिए. अब majority लोग ऐसे हैं, okay, majority. And now I'll tell you why. Because when all this starts to happen, now speaking as an artist, okay, and now it's kind of coming down into me, and which is why I share this. Yeah, see, एक है कि मैं book लिखूँ इसके बारे में after, like, and you read it after I'm gone. The other is that I tell you as it's happening. Because if I'm going to tell you as it's happening, give like a video journaling of sorts, then पता नहीं किसको कहाँ मिलेगा ये, किसको हेल्प हो, गॉड नोस, है ना. और नहीं हो तो भैया मुझे तो हेल्प होती है कि जी मैंने निकाल दिया अपने अंदर से, ठीक है. सो I've always wanted to be an artist. I have been an artist, okay, but I wanted to always pursue it as a profession, as a passion, as my being, as my meaning, as my purpose, everything, as hope, as faith, as healing, as a balm to other people. You name it, and that's what I've always wanted to do, okay, always. But life took its turn, that I think enough of you now have know, and I won't repeat that. I'm coming to this point, that when life's events took a turn with whatever I just told you, and that was not the only thing, okay. After that, also, a lot of things happened, and a lot of shocks came, and whatever. But the point is this: we are living in a world or in a society that is built on goddamn fear, man. Oh, please, sorry. इसको पकड़ के रखा है against the window pane so that light आए मेरे face पे, and थोड़ा चमकते हुए हम आपसे बात करें. Life is built, again, so everybody's life, including mine, okay, is built on fear. I'm of course examining the fear. मैं तो ठोक बजा के बोलूँगी यार. मैं ना, I look at fear in the eye. I do. It hits you like a train, okay, when you start looking at fear in the eye, okay, in the eye. And in my experience, okay, I feel whatever arises from that space, or whatever arrives, or whatever you encounter or experience, is the most real shit, man. It's the most real. And you know why it's real? Why it's real? It's because you get to know yourself. Because I feel pain, grief have a bad reputation. तो वो बेचारे ना डिस्कवर नहीं होते अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी, क्योंकि हम तो उनसे भागते रहते हैं, ओके. एज एन एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन ऑल ऑफ दिस हैपन, ऑल माई वेल विशर्स, माई फैमिली, एंड यार ऑल माई लव टू दैम, ओके, प्लीज़ प्लीज़, दिस इज़ नॉट सेइंग कि ऐसा क्यों, शायद मैं भी वही बोलती जो सब ने बोला, मैंने खुद भी वो किया, ओके, टू देन काइंड ऑफ गिवन टू वरी एंड गिवन टू द होल सिंगल मदर सिंड्रोम, कि यार अभी बच्चों को कैसे देखेंगे, ये सब कैसे होगा, मैं घर कैसे चलाऊंगी, टरा दैट्स नाउ अ ईयर एंड अ हाफ अगो, एंड हियर आई एम मेकिंग वीडियोज़ एंड चीयर्स, चाय क पकाने का, कि कैसे होगा. वारी इज़ वारी, एंड वारी की भी जगह है इस दुनिया में, ठीक है. तो ये बोलना कि जी वारी नहीं होगा एंड ऐसे ही जिएंगे, वो ऑल्सो आई एग्री, आई डू, ऑल्दो लॉजिक हैज़ नो प्लेस इन माई लाइफ. हाँ प्लीज़, आई हैव नाउ डेल्ट विद लॉजिक, एंड उसको मैंने बाय बाय बोल दिया. लॉजिक इज़ फॉर पीपल हु आर fearful, and again, why? Because logic is always based on your past. always. It's historical data that when that happens, then that happens, and therefore let's use our logic, to stop it here. Like, don't go further. Logically speaking, this does not happen. Whereas instinct is not based on historical data. Instinct is based in the present and having faith in the future. Okay, that's called instinct. And these two are used very funnily. यार लॉजिक वन नीड्स टू यूज़ व्हेन यू बाइंग अ कार. ओके, कि हाँ ये कितना माइलेज देती है, ब्ला 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 ब्ला. यार तो लाइफ इवेंट्स में तो आप अपना इंस्टिंक्ट यूज़ करोगे कि वहाँ लॉजिक यूज़ करोगे? कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हो आप लॉजिक वहाँ पर? किसका लॉजिक बेस्ड? हु इज़ टेलिंग यू? लाइक बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट? Based on what? On somebody else's life. How is that your life? So coming back to the point, I'm instinct based, fully instinct based, always have been, always. And today I'm telling you, I'm 44, and I'm telling you, if whoever wants to listen to this, okay, when you follow your instinct fearlessly, okay, like you own it and not get scared, and you take the risk of standing out like a sore thumb in masses, always telling you that you are wrong, ये गलत है, मत करो, कोई नहीं करता, लॉजिक यूज़ करो, you're being crazy, but something in you, look, and there's a difference. एक होता है कि actually you're doing stupid ass stuff, okay, वही है ना. तो आपको अपने इंस्टिंक्ट को तो रिफाइन करना पड़ेगा ना ओवर ईयर्स. ऐसा नहीं होगा ना जी पैदा हुए और शुरू हो गए. थोड़ा समझो, सीखो, learn to discern between things, and that's when your instinct becomes your friend, where you know ये इंस्टिंक्ट है, ये मेरा गट बोल रहा है. एंड समटाइम्स ना इतना तेज़ आवाज़ आएगी उसकी कि यार यही करना है, नॉट दैट, नहीं, नॉट दिस, आई नो एवरीथिंग इज पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स दैट, नो 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 नो, दिस, एंड देन यू गेट द गट्स टू pick up and drop whatever the hell you want to. Okay, and now coming back to that logic based, and logic is always based on fear, remember that. Prove it to me otherwise. How is logic based on anything else except fear, right? Okay, and especially in life events, whereas instinct is based on faith. Okay. तो हमें मूवीज़ में देखना है लीप ऑफ फेथ. वील मेक मूवीज़ लाइक द बिगेस्ट मूवीज़ लाइक लगान और व्हाटएवर, और देर ऑल बेस्ड ऑन फेथ. ये क्या था, ये आमिर खान की जो दूसरी वाली थी, दंगल, फेथ, ऑल दोज मूवीज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. बट ये रियल ज़िंदगी में यूज़ नहीं करना किसी को. आई फाइंड दैट वेरी हिपोक्रिटिकल, एक्सट्रीमली. एंड रियल ज़िंदगी में यूज़ करो यार. रियल टाइम देखो हीरोज़ अपने आसपास, उनको बढ़ावा दो, अपने आप को बढ़ावा दो व्हेन यू यूजिंग, एंड टॉक अबाउट इट, celebrate your little victories where you used your instinct and you came across, because वही तो है सब, है कि नहीं है? तो anyways, I was saying that जब ये सब हुआ whatever, so I also got worried. I was like अब क्या होगा, मैं कैसे करूँगी, this that, होता ही है. एंड देन इस दुनिया में भी रह रहे हैं, कोई कम आवाज़ आती है क्या बाहर से? That's why I love my isolation and solitude, by the way. I love being a hermit. I love it. And not that I'm like a crazy ass person who's living alone and not meeting. I meet people, okay, but जब मेरे को ज़रूरत है तब. So that's why logic came into me also. कि यार X करना चाहिए, Y नहीं. To get some cash and let's get stability, and one has to first look at this. Now my question is, if I follow my instinct, okay, which is being an artist, and that's what I'm made for यार, मेरा वही काम है, मेरे को वही करना है. Anything creative, anything that brings me joy in the spur of the moment, because that is the realest that it can get. Something that you can't wrap your head around, that comes फटता हुआ from you ना, from your core, is actually the realest truth. अब आपको लग रहा है कि यार मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या है इसके पीछे लॉजिक, क्या है इसकी रीजनिंग, क्या है वो, फिर फियर पे है, क्योंकि आपको यू आर ड्रेडिंग द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ इट, राइट? एंड यू आर ड्रेडिंग द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज, दैट्स वेयर आई गो इनटू. इट्स अ फन स्पेस टू गो. सो कॉन्सिक्वेंस को ना स्टार्ट करो, कि अभी बहुत रियल टाइम बात कर रही हूँ, ओके ना, ओके. लेट्स से आई एम अ सिंगल मदर एंड मेरा एक लाइफस्टाइल था, एंड नाउ व्हाट डू आई डू? आई वांट टू बी एन आर्टिस्ट, बट the shitty society that we live in somehow will continue to celebrate all the artists that they know of, but they will not even lift a finger to support local artists. Okay, so that's the shitty community that we live in. Based on that knowledge, my loved ones will advise me, obviously, because they love me, okay, that देख यार यही सोसाइटी है, अभी उसको तो बदल नहीं सकते, but you obviously need to look after yourself. So go back to XYZ profession and get stable, and then see what I have to do. Fair enough. My question now is this, that let's say if I would just follow my instinct and continue down the rabbit hole, देखें तो क्या होता है, कहाँ पहुँचते हो, like will you be, what will happen? You come on the streets, then comes my whole respect for all kinds of labor. Just saying it. Tomorrow, let's say if there comes a time when you are actually living on the road, so हाथ पैर दिमाग तो है, कर लो यार, कर लो. देर आर 30,000 प्रोफेशनल्स टू चूज़ फ्रॉम. मतलब कहीं लाइक इज़ गोना साउंड फनी, ओके, मतलब जब शादी ख़त्म हो गई तो मैं अपने जो प्रोफेशन या मैंने जो डिग्रियां प्राप्त की हैं मैं उनसे शादी करके बैठूंगी क्या? तो पिकअप यार, वट एवर फील्स, मनी इज़ मनी. मनी डजंट केयर हाउ वॉज इट अर्नड, राइट? तो बहुत ही इल्यूजनल जगह में रह रहे हैं कि नहीं आप एक्स हो, आप आर्किटेक्ट हो तो वैसे ही होना चाहिए. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज एन आर्किटेक्ट, तब भी लोग बोलते थे जुम्बा इंस्ट्रक्टर कैसे बन गए यार. तो आप, सो यू आर डूइंग टू थिंग्स, यू आर लुकिंग डाउन ऑन जुम्बा इंस्ट्रक्टर्स एंड एट द सेम टाइम you are telling me that you're doing distinction, you're disrespecting me, you're disrespecting professions, you're disrespecting dance, exercise, and of course you're showing your dumbass lack of brains. That's what you're doing. I still did it. मज़े भी आए, बहुत फिटनेस आ गया, मज़ा आया. तो अब नाउ तुम्हारा लॉजिक यूज़ करके तो कुछ हुआ नहीं, मेरे तो इंस्टिंक्ट करके यूज़ हो गया सब. बताओ, anything to say otherwise? No, right? So that's what I'm saying. Let's say life is giving you shit right now, and you really want to follow your instinct, but all logic based stuff is telling you not to. I would still say go ahead, yeah, follow your instinct, because it will never let you down. Never. And as far as all these things, yeah, but you have to be real, you know, इस दुनिया में रहते हैं, and all of those stupid sentences, okay? One of my dear friends, she's a doctor, if she's watching this, she'll know that this is her, had told me that even chidiyas, like parindas flying in the air, even in a place like Gurgaon, in this heat, we'll still find something to eat. And at the end of the day, all we are doing is we are feeding ourselves, we are being ourselves, and we are living. उसके लिए तो कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. ये क्या इतना बड़ा बड़ा मकान, गाड़ी, अगर सब भी चला जाए तो तुम तो हो, और तुम जिस दिन नहीं हो तो सब खत्म है ना. तो किस डर में जिए जा रहे हो? क्या हो गया? तो कल अगर सड़क पे भी आ गए बाय चांस, लेट्स से एक्सट्रीम, तो यार कुछ और कर लो शुरू यार, कि कुछ कहीं, मतलब इतनी 50,000 नौकरियां हैं तो ना, एवरीथिंग इज़ बेस्ड ऑन फियर. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. दैट वाज द पॉइंट ऑफ दिस वीडियो, एंड दैट I have always been a very instinct-based human being, and now I'm going to be even more. So this video just came in today because I've been inspired the past few weeks, and another unearthing and unlayering, delayering of my life has happened, a very big one. And painful as it was, I needed that for closure, you know, of my previous life. And that has suddenly helped me see that क्या है इस दुनिया में यार, बस प्यार, मोहब्बत, हंसी मजाक, faith, trust, love, compassion, empathy, imagination, creativity, and whatever comes with it. No?